A late start for the trial this morning. The judge said it was due to a catastrophic power failure in the building over the weekend. And then he announced the special procedures in place today due to the explicit nature of images and evidence. And then the government continued calling witnesses as it continues to work to convince a jury that Christopher Bendan sexually exploited, secretly recorded, and then later extorted a former student. Federal prosecutors called 6 witnesses before the lunch recess on Monday. The first 4, 2 former Gilman students and 2 parents of 4 families represented, as the government worked to establish a pattern of behavior and dates and locations of alleged incidents in the case against former Gilman teacher Christopher Bendan. The parents told the jury they had great trust in him, hired him to babysit and house sit multiple times, during which their sons would have friends over. The former students testified that Bendan was always the only adult present at those house parties. Both said they participated in naked runs at Gilman with Mr. Bendan. Mr. B drove us, they said, and it was his idea. It was always after 10 p.m. or later, off campus, usually after drinking, and in exchange for something. If we ran, he would take us to McDonald's. During cross-examination, the defense worked to chip away at the credibility and testimony of witnesses today and still to come. One witness admitted using a racial slur to comment on Bendan's Asian heritage. Another said during the naked running, it was dark and hard to see, and some of the boys were inebriated. More questions about the text string Gilman grad started last year when the news broke. One witness confirmed one person told him to make up a story to tell the courts about Mr. B, and the same person told the group, "We gotta bury this sick expletive. The more people who come forward will be leaving no doubt he's gonna rot in jail." On redirect, that witness said he knew the person was never serious about what he was saying, and he said the text string was designed to show support for their friends. When the news broke, he told the court, we knew there were many others. So the text string was encouraging them to come forward and tell their stories. At federal court, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.